So if you missed it, World Ducati Week is happening or just happened, whatever. And I'm going to preface this right now. I'm a Rossi over Marquez fan forever. I think was much better for the sport in the social side of things and the racing side of things, whatever. But if you missed it, right there, that's the last corner, final lap of their exhibition race. I don't know. Comment down below if they had any prize pool. I don't actually know about this. As far as I know, it was Ducati found all of the big names from Motogp, World SBK, all the big guys to come and have a little exhibition race for their release of the 2025 V4R, which is what they're all riding. And even in an exhibition race, Marquez has to take somebody out. I, again, if this had a big prize pool or if this was for a championship or something, fine. Last corner, it happens. But for an exhibition race where it doesn't mean anything, and this is just for Ducati to, hey, here's our brand new bike, let's show it off. You could have, one, injured him, two, the cost of it, which I'm assuming probably doesn't mean much to a company like Ducati, but I'm assuming in race trim like those bikes are, you're probably looking, what, $25,000-$30,000. Again, nothing for them, but still, it's just funny to me that even in a exhibition format, this is no championship, this is nothing, this is just fun, you still have to have Marquez do something dirty. And like I said, I am a Rossi fan. I will forever be a Rossi fan over Marquez. But I don't know. Comments down below. You guys tell me. Did you watch any of this? Did you see the race? Do you think it's cool? Do you like how the new V4R looks? Obviously, with the wings on a street bike is kind of whatever to me, but the single-sided string arm I will always love. And this is a cool thing that Ducati's doing, or did, whatever you want to call it, to bring all the big names together and have a little race. I think more companies should do this, but I don't know. Like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Rossi or Marquez or whatever you thought of this crash. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.